In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure on Bluebeam Cloud. Now first, when you open up your document, you want to go to the bottom right here and you want to edit your scale. So here you basically have to edit it. Of course, for you it's going to be different than for me over here, but I'm just going to leave this like it is. And whenever you set your value, stuff like that, precision, you can click on edit scale down here at the bottom right, and that's going to edit your scale. After this, to measure on Bluebeam Cloud, you want to click on this button over here, which is the measurement tool, and then now you can just go ahead and measure. So for example, let's say I want to measure this. I'm just going to go click here and then drag, and as you can see, it's doing a measurement. And of course, you could go and, for example, release your mouse click over here, and there we go. We've now got a measurement just over here. Up top, you can then change the color of it if you want to. You can change the line width, you can change the line style, etc. Okay, so that's how you measure on Bluebeam Cloud. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.